Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox error code 279. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the Roblox error code 279, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to check whether your Roblox server is down or it's working fine. For that, you just need to open your Chrome browser. After opening the Chrome browser, you need to type status.roblox.com. After entering this website, you will find the Roblox server status. Here you can see all are in green, operational. If something you find any red, means the Roblox server is down. You have to wait for some time to clear this Roblox server issue. If it is all are in green, means the Roblox server is working fine. Then close this window, then try the other method. You need to troubleshoot your network. For that, you just need to click on start menu, then type here troubleshoot. You can see troubleshoot setting, just click on that. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see internet connection, just click on run, and it will detect if there is any problem with your network, and it will resolve automatically. After completion of this, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then restart your PC and check once again. After doing this, still your issue has been not resolved, then you can try the fourth method. Just click on start menu again, click on settings, click on apps, click on apps and features, then search for Roblox. You can see a Roblox. You have to uninstall and reinstall it. First you have to uninstall this Roblox from here. Just click on uninstall and your Roblox will be uninstalled. Then you need to open your Microsoft Store and search for the Roblox. Click on Roblox and tap on install. The Roblox will be installed on your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox error code 279. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.